Hi, I bought this Boatstone SpinX 2.0 speakers from Amazon for rupees 2300. It has Bluetooth connectivity of 4.2 and has 6 watt dual drivers. The battery life is 8 hours, and you can put SD card and also aux cable. You will get surrounded 360 sound. It is also water resistant. The packaging is pretty good. You will get to see some advertisement card inside the box, and also warranty card, and some instruction card also, and you will get this aux cable. This is the instruction manual, and here is the micro USB charging cable. The speaker looks very good. Particularly the black color of the speaker makes it look more premium, and also the build quality is also superb. Speaker has some control buttons on it, and you can get a pretty decent clicks on these buttons. It has some port to put the sling and also to mount on a tripod, and you can mount it on a bicycle also. Here we have the charging port, aux port, and SD card slot. It is well protected by this rubber cap cover. It has some LED indicator lights. It shows red on charging, blue on powering on. Blinking blue light indicates the speaker is waiting for pairing. Once connected with the device, the blinking stops. While aux cable is connected, the LED indicator shows the green light. The speaker is very handy. Now let's see its bass and sound quality. As you can see much clearly, the bass head vibrate back and forth, and it's really cool. You will not get a very high sound output, or the speaker is not very loud, but you will get much clearer, decent sound output with a really nice bass.
Thank you.